Let's check out some stock charts in this video and my thoughts on the overall market. As far as the overall market goes, we'll look at the overall market too. I'll check out the technicals on the NASDAQ and the S&P. First one we'll look at is SIDU. I'm still long some $5 strike calls. I sold my $4 strike calls. I sold them when it was around $4 a share. This momentum easily would go to the fives. A lot of resistance goes back to the $5 level here. You look at the long-term chart back in 2004, it pretty much topped out about $5 too as the main level, even back in the summer there. But I like the stock long-term. I really like it long-term. It's like a long-term holding for me. I'm just trading the options here as a trade because I saw the setup here on that level hold. There's a similar level hold on ELVA, which is one of my new favorite stocks, the ELVA. It's a battery company. And they have superior batteries versus the competition. The batteries are amazing in the lifespan and the density. And they went after the warehouse market initially because it was just easy to penetrate that market. They got like S&P 500 customers like Walmart. They work in the warehouses, but they're targeting some new verticals now in the data centers and some other markets that I think are going to pay off for them really well. They're a really well-run company, and I like this company a lot. It's already had a big run-up, of course, but it's still holding this level here. So as long as we hold this level, there's a good shot we get some momentum. But to get momentum, we need to break over 885. So, but I like this one long-term too. And TYGO is another one that I like long-term. Let's check out the NASDAQ technicals. The NASDAQ had a nice little bounce here. We had a little technical bottom formed here. You can see it better on the Russell. Actually, the Russell 2000 is a good bottom, and we're just now back in this consolidation area. This is a congestion range here. It's been back in this trading range, and we were stuck in this trading range forever. And the fact that we're still here means we easily could stay here or it could go down. But there is some short-term momentum still, and you can see it better on the futures themselves. On the NASDAQ futures here, this is the same thing. This is just the futures. It's the NASDAQ market index. And we're back, you can see it in the middle, but my long-term downtrend channel, it broke above it, so that means it has momentum. So we've got bullish momentum here. It easily could keep going up. It even test the highs with this momentum if it keeps up. But after so many days in a row, I think we're doing a pullback. It's kind of like a measured move. Measured moves is where it goes up a certain amount usually and has a pullback. This is the S&P, kind of the same. It's actually a little weaker. It's barely making it back into the middle of that channel there, where the sort of the point of control is right there, where most people have been bought. The point of control is like in the middle there. It hasn't made it there yet, so that's not necessarily a good thing. Still got a ways to go here for the S&P to get bullish. And Russell 2000, like I mentioned here, you can see it bottomed out for a long time here, and I'll just draw the trend lines on that. You can see once it broke over this congestion area here, we got the bullish momentum kicked in, and it's definitely got room to upside too. It's printed a doji. That might be an indicator that we're due a pullback. I think we're definitely could be due a pullback here with on the Russell.